Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will test the microphone on the headphones Philips. And let's get started. I'm now speaking at a normal volume. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I'm now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dog. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's check the result, but firstly I should turn off it.
And now let's see how long the microphone picks up the sound. The fox jumps over the dog. By the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck?
When I spoke normally I hear myself, but with some noises, so it's not the best one. Also I didn't hear myself at all when I spoke softly. And it mutes street sounds, but still there are some noises and not the best one microphone. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!